Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am so excited that you have stopped by today. Welcome to my stop on the 10,000 Reasons to Celebrate YouTube Hop/giveaway that is hosted by Rebecca, who is I Am Mama24 here on YouTube. She is celebrating her 10,000th subscriber, and she has invited over 30 crafty YouTubers to help her celebrate and help her give away the over 40 prizes. For a list of prizes and all of the specifics, please make sure to check out Rebecca's channel. She is linked at the top of the link list below. But let's look at some of the sponsors who have donated prizes. Isn't that a fantastic sponsor list? I can't win a prize, but the next best thing is having one of my viewers win a prize. To enter the giveaway, you need to leave a comment below, and somewhere in the comment you need to put the country you live in, because some of the sponsors do not ship internationally. You need to be 18 years or older and a public subscriber to my channel. Once she picks a winner, because each channel will have at least one winner picked from the comment list, she will verify that she can see that you're a subscriber of mine. Not only can you win a prize from Rebecca on my channel, but tomorrow I'm going to come back with a process video of the project I created for today, and I have a free printable for every one of my subscribers. So I hope that you'll be back tomorrow to check that out. The theme for today's hop is celebration, and Rebecca challenged each of us to create some type of project that was centered around that theme. Now for me, when I think of celebrations, mostly I think of birthdays, anniversaries, things like that that happen yearly. So what I wanted to do was to create something that would help me remember to celebrate those occasions, because I will make birthday cards and anniversary cards, but then I never send them out because I kind of forget about the date and then it's too late to send it. So here is what I created. This is my special date calendar and card holder binder. Inside I have 6 pages that are double-sided pockets, and I created calendars for each of these. So for instance, here in January, I have my dad's birthday and my niece's birthday, and when I would make them a card, I could slip it in here and it would be ready to go. The pages hold both cards that you create, you know, the standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then also cards that you buy at a store. I thought this would be a great way to keep all of my cards that I need to send out in one place. And it was really quick to make. It only took 6 pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper and a binder that I picked up at Walmart. To get you on your way to the other collaborators a bit quicker, I am not going to share a process video today, but I will be back tomorrow to show you how I made this, and again to let you know how you can get a hold of the printable that I use on each page. This is what that looks like when you print it. So don't forget to like this video, leave your comment below, and then hop on to all of the other participants. Until tomorrow, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.